A reinforcer encourages a behavior when presented immediately after that behavior. It makes that behavior more likely to occur in the future under similar conditions. There are unconditioned or primary reinforcers. This means that they don't need to be conditioned for them to have value. These are the ones that are naturally of interest to the animal given its species. For cats, we can think of food, water, warmth, coolness, sex, the fact that the pain or discomfort stops, more distance from the thing that worries us, the tactile sensation of comfort, the tactile sensation of stretching, the tactile sensation of scratching surfaces, the sensation of relaxation, the smell, sight, and sounds of prey, the sensations caused by hunting, the sensations caused by perching, etc. There are also conditioned or secondary reinforcers. These are the ones that acquire value through a conditioning process where we associate something neutral with one of the unconditioned reinforcers just discussed. For example, your laptop meant nothing in particular to your cat until they realized that it generated heat. The heat is unconditioned, the laptop is conditioned. A toy is a reinforcer because it allows the cat to experience the good feelings of feline euphoria from hunting. The feelings elicited by hunting are unconditioned, the toy is conditioned. Your hand meant nothing until it was associated with the pleasant tactile sensation of being petted. The pleasant sensation is unconditioned, your hand is conditioned. A note here, your hand can also be a conditioned punisher if it announces unpleasant things. Think carefully about the associations you create. A tube of liquid treats or a wooden spoon with food on the end is generally a strange item that your cat doesn't know how to interact with. The treat is unconditioned, the tube and spoon are conditioned. Their sight becomes exciting through association with the treat that they announce. The kibble is unconditioned, but the sound of the kibble throwing machine's motor is conditioned.
Someone really loves hearing that motor turn.
Scratching posts, self-grooming devices, cardboard scratchers, etc. are basically neutral items. When your cat comes into contact with them, they realize that the tactile sensation of scratching, rubbing, or rolling on these objects is pleasant, and they become conditioned. The cat flap is conditioned when it's associated with a variety of primary reinforcers: birds, the warmth of the sun, insects, the chase, grass to roll in, etc. The top of the fridge was neutral until it became associated with the good view it offers of the environment inside the home and the additional warmth present at height. Warm air rises. Conditioned reinforcers can, of course, lose their conditioning. If the toy never moves, it becomes neutral again. If the laptop is always turned off and cold, it becomes neutral again. If the spoon never has a treat on it, it becomes neutral again. If the kibble throwing machine breaks and its motor is running without throwing, the noise of the motor becomes neutral again. The cat flap loses its conditioning in winter and returns to neutral due to the absence of warm temperatures and what would come with it, vegetation and prey. The top of the fridge returns to neutral if we move it to a cool, uninteresting corner. I hope this has interested you and made you think. By being more aware of the associations that form in our cats' heads, we are better able to understand them.